The problem with you is you have great coffee, but just no one knows what this place is.
Correct.
You don't have a brand that people recognize.
Absolutely.
But maybe there's a shortcut to actually having brand recognition using a little something called parody law.
Parody law.
Often used by artists like Weird Al Yankovic and shows like Saturday Night Live, parody law allows you to use trademarks and copyrighted material as long as you're making fun of them. So if Elias could find a way to make fun of Starbucks, he'd be free and clear to borrow their valuable corporate name and image for his store. The plan? Turn the Helio Cafe into the world's first parody Starbucks.
So how do you make that a parody without you just not mimicking their brand?
Like the coffees could be Dumb Grande, Dumb Venti,
I gotcha.
Dumb Frappuccino.
Gotcha.
I mean, as a whole, the store could just be called Dumb Starbucks.
Right, okay, I see what you're saying. Right.
But the dumb could be small, so people could come in thinking it's an actual Starbucks.
Huh, it's smart. I just don't know if people would get it, I don't know if people are,
Well, do people get what you're doing now? You're not that popular.
Right.
You have no menu.
That's true.
I mean, what do you have to lose by trying?
I mean, what do I have to lose? I don't know, actually.
Elias was on board, but he did have one major concern.
I definitely could not afford a lawsuit from Starbucks. Definitely not.
Based off what I read on Wikipedia, it seemed like my approach was legal. But just to be sure, I retained the services of attorney Peter J. Marks to guarantee we were protected.
Dumb Starbucks.
But the dumb would be smaller, so people would still think it's a Starbucks.
If people think it's a Starbucks, you've got a problem. It's not really a parody then.
Apparently my legal footing wasn't as solid as I thought, but then Peter brought up one way I could cover myself.
Let's say you had a reputation as being someone who does lots of parody. Then they know, oh, he's just making fun of Starbucks because this is what he does.
So I have to become a parody artist.
It wouldn't hurt.
It seemed like I still had some work ahead of me, but before leaving, I needed to be sure I was protected. So if I do all this, then Starbucks can't sue me.
This is America. People file lawsuits at the drop of a hat.
But if they sue, you're liable too, right?
Who's liable?
You.
Me personally?
Yeah.
Not unless I'm involved in infringing their trademark, no.
Yeah, the appearance release you signed before had a clause that said you would be liable too if Starbucks sued.
I don't agree to this at all. I do not agree to pay all legal fees and damages legal action because I have no control over what's being released.
Well, why did you sign that then?
Yeah, I signed it, and I signed it because I didn't have a chance to read it, and I
But
thought
you're a
it was
lawyer,
just...
don't you read things before you sign
I
them?
do read things. I try to read things, but you wanted me to shoot, and I glanced at it, and this was my mistake. I'll acknowledge that.
Okay. Well, you signed it, so I guess you can get
Well,
that back.
I'm not going to give it back because I'm going to...
Well, I handed it to you just to look over, but you already
No, I'm
signed
not going to give it back to you. I'm protecting myself and, frankly, you from a nightmare.
Well,
I
you
would never
signed
accept
it.
that.
We have you on camera signing it, so it still holds up in court.
You don't have me on camera signing it.
Yes, we do.
What kind of lawyer am I? I'm signing shit I haven't read. Well, if you do, that's fine. Then you'll know how the terms. I'm going to put in my pocket.
Well, no, we don't want it in your pocket.
We do want it in my pocket. Please, please, you're in my office. I'm very serious, and I don't know if you're really trying to do this just for the show, but I'd like you to get off my desk, and I'm going to ask you to leave the office.
I was disappointed that Peter was trying to back out of the deal he signed, but our producers were eventually able to calm him down enough to keep shooting. They just said they need to get a shot of an insert of the document, like a shot of it before.
It's staying in my pocket. It's not going anywhere.
Well, we need to get just a shot of the clause for the scene in the document. You can hold on to it. Just hold it out like you'd had, and then, yeah. This camera needs to get it out here.
Okay, that's how I had it.
And then you can... Just make sure you get an insert of the actual...
You know, I'm about to, I don't know if you're provoking me or not, but I'm getting tired of this. I'm not going to be responsible for your conduct, okay?
My plan to have Peter share liability didn't work, so it was more important than ever that Elias and I take his guidance to protect ourselves. It would just be helpful legally if we had a history of being parody artists.
Okay.